Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to unsend messages on Instagram. Please make sure to watch this video until the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes in this process. In saying that, let's jump straight in. Alright, head over to your Play or App Store, search for Instagram, make sure Instagram is updated to the latest version. Then once that's done, click on open. Alright, I'm going to send a random message to someone here. So I'm going to send one to Karen. Click on message. Send that. Hey. Alright, as it says here, invite sent. This account can't receive a message because they don't allow new message requests from everyone. Alright, to solve this, click on their profile, like so, and just simply click on the three vertical dots. Click on block. Block Karen Johar. Yep, block. Alright. Now you can see he is blocked. So if I go back to messages, like so, refresh this, click into the message, it says here you blocked this account, you can't message or video chat with Karen Johar. So I'm going to click on delete, permanently delete chat, delete, and there you go, that has been deleted. Another way to unsend messages is to click on someone in your chat. So I'm just going to click on Sabri. Here I'm going to click on the message I sent him, click and hold, and simply click on unsend here, and that has been unsent. So if I go back, refresh this page, that chat has been deleted off my chats. Alright, that's it for the video guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.